Alabama's SB1 bill has officially passed the Alabama House and Senate, and it's now on its way to Governor Kay Ivey for signature. Now, most people hear that and think, that's political, that doesn't affect me, that's just about elections. But what if I told you this could eventually affect community visibility, nonprofit opportunities, funding conversations, leadership priorities, and even business development? Because this conversation is much bigger than voting maps, and right now, many people do not fully understand what's happening or why this matters. So today we're going to break this down in plain language. Let's simplify this first. What is Alabama SB1? SB1 is legislation designed to prepare Alabama for possible special elections. If courts allow the state to return to older district maps, it's essentially a preparation mechanism. This has become emotional because people believe representation affects visibility, influence, and long-term opportunity. It's about community voice and power. Here's the part many people are missing. Representation affects leadership priorities. Priorities influence where investment and focus areas land. For nonprofits, staying informed and positioning yourself matters. Organizations that communicate impact clearly navigate these shifts effectively. This also affects businesses. Economic focus areas often shift when priorities change. Entrepreneurs must think strategically, not emotionally, to stay prepared. So what should you do? Stay informed, strengthen your organizational structure, and build deep community relationships. Visibility matters now more than ever. Alabama SB1 is not just a political story, it's about the future of your community. Your mission deserves more than reaction, it deserves strategy. If you're ready to build a mission that's prepared for growth, comment "Ready" below. At Bridgebuilders Business Services, we help you position for sustainable impact.